So in this video series, we're going to take a look at how first to create a tool script and then convert it to a toolbox, Python toolbox in ArcGIS Pro. So I'm going to try to do it in 3 steps. First video is this one. So this is going to be the setup. Next one is after we're set up, writing the tool script, and then porting the tool script to a toolbox will be done in the third video. So that's the plan. And that, so I'll try to do it in 3 separate videos in that. So I just setting up my directory. I'm going to give it a name. It's going to create a folder with this name underneath here in my dev directory in that. So I'm just going to create it. Yes, I guess I already have one open in that. And so I'm just going to get it set up. And so quickly go to map, change up base map to navigation and that. And we'll go over a few things. So always go right click on this folder. Always like to have 2 folders I add just in case, data. And so that's in case we have data for our lab and then a new, so close. Right click on the folder, new folder, scripts. This is where my scripts are going to go in the next, in the 2 videos that come after this. Now you can always actually right click on this, I believe is we can go and show in File Explorer, just so, okay, I set this directory, I did give it this name, so I do have a project with this name, I do have a file geodatabase with this name, and my scripts and my data folders are in the right spot. That's where I want them to be in that. So the first part is we're going to need some sample data in that. So I'll just create a feature class right away in that, and then we'll move around in that. So first I will make a new feature class. It's just going to be point because we're going to demo geomasking a point. So we'll switch that to point, and we'll just call this test PTS for points. Don't really need Z values. I think I will set the projection system to 26910 so that we're dealing with some real world coordinates that would be normal, say for the lower mainland and a lot of the municipalities down here. And so we can test it in more of a real world situation. I'll just go next. I think I can go finished at this point. And that. So it's added to, yes. And so we'll just start the editing session and just get in, create, go over and click the tool, and we should be ready to go. And I will put one over at, let's say, Blacky Spit. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here and yes, we'll put one over at Tinehead, and then we'll go over and we'll put one over at BCIT, that sort of thing as well. Now the one thing is the navigation isn't the best while you're editing. So it's doing these kind of zoom in jumps, not a good idea, and that sort of thing. So I'll try to zoom into the campus more. And we'll put one on campus. And that, so that's looking good. And that, do I need any more? I could throw a couple more in just for testing because, if we want to test different areas, put one over here by, and maybe we'll go up to SFU and that. I'm just going to do a quick save. Yes, flip into map. Yeah, the navigation is off a little bit. In that, I think this is the football field over here. We'll flip back into editing. So I think that's enough sample points. Create, click the tool. We'll drop one in there, and then we'll save that up. Again, we just want some sample points that we could use for testing. It doesn't have to be complicated at this point. I was going to go Control S in that. So I think actually now that we're set up, well, it never hurts to put some bookmarks in, but we'll be okay at this point. Try to keep it as short as possible for that. So that's it for the first video. We just want to get a project made, a directory set up, and some sample points ready to go. So that's it for phase one.